Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the inside door handle on this 2003 Buick LeSabre. Pretty much the same as any 00 to 05. Tools you'll need are Phillips and flat blade screwdriver, as well as a 10mm socket with ratchet or a wrench. Okay, start with a flat blade screwdriver, and this pin will actually kind of pulls carefully, pry a little bit up and out, and then there's a little wire for your speaker. Pry on the side where you can see the tab. Pull the speaker lead out. Okay. Right here, pry at the front very lightly. Pull that out like that. And then again, there's a little tab right here. Pry that up. Pull that out. Try not to drop that. And then back here on your reflector, just kind of pull in there, pry it out. Comes out. Now inside the door, there's two screws, one there and one right there. And I'll just fast forward through removing those screws. They are Phillips screws. Okay, you can use a putty knife, door panel clip tool, whatever you might have. Grab hold. Use your foot a little bit. Okay. Give the door panel a good yank there. It comes up and off. Here there's a master switch. You kind of pull out on a couple of tabs. Okay, and then so you pull out on these tabs, and then that rotates down. Switch comes out, and there's your door panel out. Okay, your inside door handle, pretty easy. 10mm bolt right here. Once you have that off, then the handle slides forward. A little bit of weather strips kind of in the way here. Comes out. Okay. These rods just lift up and out, and then this one, for this one you kind of have to pull the handle down. You basically have to pull it down and off of that rod. Snap it back in there. Okay, obviously my handle's in fine shape, so I'll put it on this one first. Okay, so this one goes to the bottom. Just push it right on. So I've got that one on. Now this one kind of comes in here. Push it down on. Okay. Get our handle back in the door, slide it back. Make sure you clip these into the little clip here. And place
We'll fast forward a little bit as I tighten that bolt up. You want it tight, but not too tight. Okay, just an explanation of what I'm going to do here. The door panel has a metal lip in it, I guess, kind of like a tongue and groove. It has the tongue side, and then on the door itself, on the rubber weather strip, is the groove. And you just need to make sure that you get that metal tongue into the groove. And the best thing to do is kind of start it right where the hole for the door handle, for the door pull is. Start it there, and then it kind of goes down in a lot easier. Okay, so you can see that I kind of look into that hole there, and I kind of push the tongue into the groove a little bit. Make sure it's kind of lined up, and then it kind of pushes right down on. And now there are lineup tabs, or lineup pins. Just make sure those are lined up, make sure all your pins are lined up with the holes they're going into. And then once you're confident that they're lined up, you can just kind of press the door panel on, give it a good hit in the corner, at the bottom, in the front and the rear. Okay, make sure that the leads are out, the door lock lead and the mirror, or I'm sorry, the speaker lead. And now you can start the 2 screws. And I'll fast forward through that first one.
Screw, best to start with your fingers first. Use my head. Pushes down in there, you might want to just take a screwdriver, push that pin down into the hole, push it right in. Okay. Reflector snaps in. And our power lock connects. Pull the door handle out, push that through, push it back in, push that in place, and you're all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.